here we are again, going to do the second coil fold. Going to start on the dough that we did just the folding to, not the one we did the lamination for. So again, now we're going to start to be more careful with how we handle the dough, because it's starting to grow, it's starting to rise, and those bubbles are what we want. So we're going to gently pull the dough off the edges of the bowl. It's still fairly firm, and you'll feel the difference as it keeps growing. You'll feel the difference of how it feels different. So we're just going to lift from the sides and let it fold under. Lift from the sides, let it fold under. Keep your hands moist. Lift from the sides, fold it under, and fold it under. Alrighty. You can see it's really starting to hold its shape. It's getting more firm, it's getting more strength, it's getting more body. So that's the first one. And now we'll do the second one. This is the one we laminated. See, it doesn't have, to me, as much strength. It's flattened out a lot more than the other one was. They will both taste the same. They'll both look pretty much the same. So nice and gentle. Take it off from the sides. Keep your hands moist and fold it under. Fold it under. Under and fold it under. There you go. This one actually feels like it's got a little bit more air in it than the other one. Maybe growing a little bit quicker. My kitchen is about 76 degrees. That of course will affect how it grows. We're just going to let these sit here for another half hour, maybe or so. We'll just kind of keep an eye on it. Once they flatten out, we'll do it again. I usually do 3 or 4, maybe 5 coil folds. It depends on what it looks like, what it feels like. And then we will put it inside of a Banneton and let it proof a little bit more. It's already in the process now of proofing and fermenting. It started at 5 o'clock, so we are 3 hours in. Usually about 6 hours or so is when I'll put them into the fridge and start the cold fermentation, the cold retardation. So we'll just keep on moving along, and we should be in good shape.